A Dallas County jury watched the police interrogation of accused serial killer Billy Chemirmir today. He spoke to a lead detective for hours, all recorded, denying he ever murdered or robbed anyone. Also shown in court, surveillance video of Chemirmir shopping alongside one of his victims on the day of her murder. Fox 4's Alex Boyer has been following this case all week. Alex?
Hi, Stephen. You know, for the first time since he was arrested for the capital murder of Lou Harris, we got to hear Billy Chemirmir's voice. It came in the version of two interrogation videos that were played by the prosecution today involving Chemirmir. Chemirmir tried to explain in those videos how he got the jewelry and money that belonged to one of the victims.
That's accused serial killer Billy Chemirmir in his own words after being arrested on March 20th, 2018 for the murder of 81-year-old Lou Harris. On Wednesday, the jury heard hours of the police interrogation of Chemirmir conducted by a Dallas Police Department homicide detective.
We know where you were. That's what I know from you. I'll tell you where I was.
During the interview, Chemirmir said he bought and sold jewelry on an app called OfferUp. He claimed he bought the jewelry box that belonged to Harris along with all of its contents, including the keys to her house and jewelry, from a guy in a truck he did not know for $700. Chemirmir claimed he didn't know it belonged to a dead woman.
He told me that he had met someone and bought the jewelry box. And then when he got to his place, he didn't want it, so he threw it away into the dumpster.
Chemirmir also answered questions about $2 bills in his possession, money the victim's relatives said she would give out as gifts. Chemirmir claimed he got them from another unknown guy in Fort Worth 2 days prior.
Okay, now if you sell it for $3, a $2 bill for $3, what is he selling it to you for? $2.50.
Police say Chemirmir spotted Harris out shopping and followed her home. During questioning, he admitted to being at the Walmart off Arapahoe and Coit in Dallas on the day Harris was killed. Investigators found a Walmart receipt inside her home when they discovered her body. Prosecutors showed the jury surveillance video of Harris and Chemirmir inside the Walmart at the same time. Video from the parking lot showed Chemirmir pull out a few minutes before Harris, who was loading groceries. Defense attorney Kobe Warren challenged the video on cross-examination with DPD detective Scott Sayers.
Now, isn't it true, Detective Sayers, that at no point are you able to see and show any direct communication between Ms. Harris and Mr. Chemirmir? That's correct.
Detectives also acknowledged they were unable to find any video or DNA evidence of Chemirmir that placed him inside Harris's home. The jury also saw a separate interrogation by Plano police detectives investigating an attack on another victim, Mary Bartell. She survived being smothered inside her Plano senior living home on March 19, 2018, the day before Harris was murdered, and provided information that helped identify Chemirmir as the suspect. He claimed he was at Bartell's community on March 15, 2018, quote, looking for work.
Did you talk to any of the elderly people on the property on Thursday, March 15th?
No, I didn't.
And during one of those interrogations, Chemirmir told one of the detectives that he previously worked as a caregiver because he liked to, quote, take care of old people. Afterwards, I talked off camera with one of the relatives of one of the alleged victims who's been here for the entire case. She told me it was just so difficult to listen to Chemirmir in his own words today because she said, in her words, he was lying over and over again. Steve.
All right, Alex, thank you. A reminder, you can actually watch that trial live throughout the day. Go to fox4news.com. Look for the latest Billy Chemirmir story with a yellow marker that says Live Now.